Hello, everybody. My name is Coach Shane, and welcome to Easy English Expressions. Come on, let's master English.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Daily Easy English Expression, the podcast, number 1173. Right now, as I record this podcast, it is Monday, December 29th of 2025. The new year is close. Are you happy? Are you excited? Is it fun for you, or do you think, whatever? Okay, yesterday we had a fantastic, not yesterday, the previous podcast, we had a great phrasal verb to pull up a chair. And today we have another usage of the phrasal verb to pull up, okay? So the best way to learn about it is to hear it in a situation. So let's check out the dialogue.
Is here good, sir?
Pull up to that red car, please.
Behind it?
In front is okay.
Pull up to someplace. When you're in a car or a truck or something like that, you can pull up to a place. And to pull up means to stop a vehicle, or maybe a motorcycle, or maybe a bus. To stop in a particular area. So let's look at the dialogue. Is here good, sir? This must be like a taxi driver, okay? And the guy is going to stop his car so that the passenger can get out. So is here good, sir? Is this a good place to stop? And the guy said, pull up to that red car, please. So in the distance up ahead, there's a red car. And pull up to that red car means go to that red car. So in other words, in this situation, if it's a taxi, I want to get out by the red car. So the taxi driver says, behind it, behind the red car. And the guy says, in front is okay. Actually, not behind the red car, in front of the red car. So pull up simply means to stop your vehicle, but usually we say in a particular place. Pull up to that building. Pull up to that sign. Pull up to that red car. This is an excellent expression, and we use it especially when we're in a car, especially in a taxi. If you watch American movies and you see somebody in a taxi, then you probably are going to hear this expression. It's very likely to hear that expression. If you're giving a ride to somebody, somebody might say it to you. Pull up to that bus stop. I'll get out there. It's a really, really good expression. And this is probably, I'm going to try and get another E-cubed expression on December 31st. I'll try. But if I don't be mad. I'm thinking about you. Are you in my community? Guys, you need to join. It's free. School.com/LME, SKOOL.com/LME. Let's Master English, LME. It's a wonderful place. Great people. So much to learn. And in 2026, January, we're kicking off something really, really cool. All of my podcasts and videos, like on YouTube, we're bringing everything into our community. And that's just convenient, but also what's really cool for you, there's no advertisements. Sometimes when you listen to a podcast or watch a video, there's an ad, right? And that can be annoying. Well, if you don't like the ads, don't worry. You can go to our community and listen and watch ad-free. Isn't that cool? I think so. All right, let's check out the dialogue 2 more times. And together, let's master English. Is here good, sir?
Pull up to that red car, please.
Behind it?
In front is okay.
Is here good, sir?
Pull up to that red car, please.
Behind it?
In front is okay.